Apple just unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro series, and this might be the most exciting new iPhone since Apple 11 series. It all starts with new impressive redesign that centers moves away from titanium and back towards aluminum. Apple forged an unibody from Series 7000 aluminum for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max series. The aluminum comes in three colors: a refined silver, a deep blue, and a new striking ceramic or cosmic orange color. The ceramic shield glass on both sides, a smaller portion on the back just below the cameras, and a new ceramic shield too on top of the display, which they claim is three times harder than and four times harder to crack. This screen glass has 7-layer anti-reflective coating similar to what Samsung has been doing on the Ultras in the past 2 years. The iPhone 17 Pro is built around 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, while Pro Max is 6.9-inch panel. Both are ProMotion and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate will drop down to 1 Hz. The screen brightness has been ramped up to 3000 nits. The camera system sits on top of a new camera plateau. The biggest upgrade is the 5x telephoto camera, which now has a high-res 48 megapixel fusion sensor up from 12 megapixel to match the other two. It is not a simple bump in pixel, but the entire new zoom technology. It features a 100 mm f2.8 lens, so the optical magnification is 4x and not 5x as a outgoing model. It does up to 8x or 200 zoom thanks to the higher resolution. The telephoto camera shares the tetraprism design of the original and sensor shift stabilization. The other two 48 megapixel fusion lenses on the back of 26 and 13 ultra wide lens. Up front, it gets a new 1 by 1 square 18 megapixel center stage front camera. It eliminates the need to flip the phone to get landscape selfies for your friends. The selfies will automatically adjust the field of view when it senses the need for a wider shot and will keep the subject centered during selfie videos. It brings a ProRes RAW Log 2, a genlock used to sync video across multiple cameras and inputs with support for Final Cut Camera 2.0 and Blackmagic camera. This addition to the already solid video specs of the previous model, which has ProRes Log, Dolby Vision HDR and 4K at 120 frames per second. It gains the new 3nm Apple 19 Pro chipset, a step above from the A19 found on the base iPhone 17 and even above the A19 Pro inside the iPhone Air. It packs a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU. It also has a 16-core neural engine that claims to boost Apple intelligent performance. The Pro carries the new Apple design vapor chamber to improve cooling. Apple says its proprietary alloy used in the making of the phone is a huge update of the titanium of the previous generation. It uses an N1 Apple design networking chip that supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. The number of markets to get eSIM-only phones have been increased to Bahrain, Canada, Guam, Japan, Kuwait, Mexico, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE joining the list. That version has a slightly bigger battery, but again, Apple has given no specifics. The 17 Pro series is launched with iOS 26, emphasized by liquid glass, while Apple says that makes the OS and its app more responsive and delightful. Both models start at 256GB storage and also comes in 512GB 1TB storage, while the Pro Max goes to 2TB option. The 17 Pro starts at $1,099 and asks $200 each for the doubling of the storage. The Pro Max starts at $1,199 and goes up to $2,000 for the top max model. Pre-order begins in 63 markets on Friday and shipments will launch a week later.